Hi you guys, so this is Amber. If you guys do not know me, I'm a plus size model, YouTuber, and entrepreneur. Today I'm going to show you guys a thumbnail hack, and I'm going to be using my own thumbnail that I had a problem with. So here is the thumbnail that I wanted to post. I did it off of my phone, but when I tried to post it, it wouldn't add to the video. So here I'm downloading the picture that wouldn't add to the video by sending it to my email. So I'm downloading it just to show you guys that it's too large for the video. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to the actual large photo that wouldn't upload. And now I am searching for the photo that would not upload because it was way too large. So now I've found the photo, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on that just to add it to the YouTube thumbnail. And as you can see, it says it's too large. And I'm circling it right there. So it's too large to add, and even though the picture that you already see on there is very similar to what I'm trying to add, I wanted to add like the subtitles on there. So just go on into any software that you have. I'm using my Sony Vegas, and I'm gonna bring that image into a rendered video. So this video has already been rendered. I'm just gonna drop the picture in there just to take a screenshot of it. So I'm finding that picture again to drop it into a rendered video, and there it is. And as you can see, it's also on the images on the rendered video as well. So I'm screenshotting that and then downloading it as a new image. And you can place this download into any file that you want. So mine's is just gonna go into my screenshotted files, and the new image will be 390. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the 390 photo. I'm gonna search it so I can place it into the thumbnail of YouTube, and it should just work perfectly. And as you will see, it will. So now I'm selecting the image right here. And now you can see that it has uploaded successfully. So if you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful, make sure you press the big thumbs up and comment, rate, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.